Matt here with Grow Appalachia. Today we're going to be talking about ground cover for weed control. So some people call this ground cover, some people call it landscape fabric. It's a woven polypropylene barrier that keeps the weeds, it excludes light so they can't grow up through it. Now, crops that are longer season crops are really great to use ground cover with. Things like tomatoes, peppers, squash, stuff that's going to be in the ground maybe 60 days or longer. And what we do here is we lay out the fabric and typically burn holes in it. And we're using just a plumber's torch to burn the holes. And the reason why we burn it as opposed to cut it is that if you cut it, the ends will fray and you'll end up with little pieces of polypropylene string. To burn the holes, we use a template just cut out of a piece of plywood. You can use a metal template if that works better for you. And our spacing is just based on whatever crop we're working with here. So this is a spacing for peppers, and you can make different templates for the different crops that you're using. So the process is you're going to roll it out. We staked one side so it wouldn't blow away in the wind, and then we burned our holes with the template and the torch, and then we lifted that side to put drip irrigation down. Now we do recommend drip irrigation with this ground cover, even though it does let some water through. We typically find that irrigation is still needed. And after we get the irrigation down, we go ahead and pin the other side. And the nice thing about ground cover as opposed to an annual plastic is that it'll last up to 10 years. You can take it up at the end of the season, store it, and the next season you can roll it back out. It really eliminates a lot of that plastic waste. We do recommend that when you store it, you put it on a piece of PVC or some kind of a board that you can write the length and maybe what crop or the hole sizes, how far apart they were, so that when they're in your shed, you can tell next season what this piece of black ground cover is. It's a really great way to reduce your labor and have season-long weed control. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the little bell, so that you can be notified when new videos come out, and the like button if this video was useful to you. Make sure you also check out the other videos in this series, including the intro video called To Weed or Not to Weed. And leave some comments. Let us know what you think about ground cover. Do you love it? Do you use it? What crops do you use it on? We want this to be as interactive as possible, so let us know what you think.